Welcome to Bright Home Lights. In this video, we'll walk you through some of our app updates. This includes schedules, presets, AI theme generation, and the new Music React mode. Bright Home Lights is powered by WLED, one of the most popular and widely used LED control software. Stay tuned for more video tutorials or search the web to see all the fun things people currently do with WLED. Now, let's dive in. This is the device selection screen. From here you can manage devices, turn them off and on, and jump right into our schedules, presets, or music control screens. Let's dive into schedules. This is the schedules screen, where you can set presets to run at a specific date and time. This includes all presets saved to your device, even scheduling the device to turn off. It's important to set your device's date and time correctly, so the schedules trigger at your desired time. You can do this by clicking on the location icon to automatically configure your time zone. To create a new event, click the Event button at the top. Select the desired preset. Choose the event type, normal, sunset, or sunrise. Select an active date range, and finally, select the time you want the preset to trigger, then save. For sunset and sunrise, the times are automatically calculated based on your location. You do, however, have the option of setting an offset time if the sun sets, or rises a little earlier or later than you would like. On this screen, we have set our lights to turn off at sunrise every day, with an offset of 29 minutes. Lastly, you can see your full schedule list to determine which schedules are on or off and what date and time they are set to. Let's dive into presets. Select the Presets icon to access presets. On the Presets screen, choose a category and a preset to activate it. It's important to note that these are in-app presets, not on your device. However, you do have the ability to customize and save them to your local device. To do that, click the color palette icon on the top right. Here, you can see the colors we use to create the effect and change them as you please. Next, on the Effects screen, you can see the effect that was used. Lastly, on the Presets screen, you can save your presets and edits directly to your device. This gives you full control over what to name the preset and what color you want it to be. Let's head back into the Presets screen to learn about DIY presets using AI-generated color themes. Click the icon on the top right. The DIY Presets screen lets you customize the color of every single LED in your system. It's crucial to correctly configure the right amount of LEDs so the app knows where to send the data to. More on this later. We can begin to define the colors for all LEDs. You can also specify hex colors to fine-tune the color to your specification. The Random button generates a random color palette. If you cannot figure out what color scheme you want, no worries, we've got you covered with AI theme generation. Just enter a color theme, like for example, Houston Astros, and our AI engine will come up with the color theme for you. You can now save your creation to your device by selecting the Save button and giving the preset a name. We can reload our saved preset by selecting the Load button to load the color scheme back into the grid for editing. Click the Live button to send your creation to your lights. Lastly, there is a selection of effects you can apply. Solid freezes your lights to what's on the grid, other effects animate the lights, and the music effect reacts to sound using your phone's microphone. The Device Presets screen shows you your presets that are stored on your local device. You can click to activate them, schedule them, or share them as you like. Also on this screen, you can access the device configuration. Set a name for your device, Change the preset that comes up when your device boots up and edit your LED configuration. If you want to set colors for all LEDs, you must set the correct LED count. Otherwise, you can leave the default settings, and the device will function normally. Sleep timers are used to turn off your device after a set number of minutes. It can be activated on the device page by clicking on the timer button. The backup screen lets you back up all device configuration and presets. It's always recommended to back up all settings and presets so you can easily restore them to a previous state. The Restore function lets you restore backups. This provides a simple way to restore all settings and presets with a single click. Let's dive into the music screen. The music screen uses your phone's microphone to react to music. Here, you can select foreground and background colors based on the mode, adjust sensitivity, choose an effect mode, and then start streaming to your device. That wraps up this segment. Please visit the help section of the website for more help content.